Welcome to our channel. Extending your smartphone's battery life while maintaining access to essential features requires understanding which settings drain power and how to optimize them effectively. Step 1. Check your battery usage statistics in your phone's settings to identify which apps are consuming the most power and address the biggest drains first. Step 2. Adjust your screen brightness by enabling adaptive brightness, which automatically adjusts to your environment, or manually reducing brightness to a comfortable lower level. Step 3. Reduce your screen timeout duration to 30 or 60 seconds so your display turns off quickly when not in use, saving significant battery power throughout the day. Step 4. Enable battery saver mode or low power mode when your battery drops below 20%, which limits background activity and reduces performance slightly to extend battery life. Step 5. Manage location services by reviewing which apps have access to your location and changing unnecessary apps from always to only while using the app. Step 6. Disable background app. Refresh for apps that don't need to update constantly, limiting which apps can fetch new content when you're not actively using them. Step 7. Turn off push notifications for non-essential apps, as constant notification checks consume power and having your screen light up frequently drains battery. Step 8. Use dark mode if your phone has an OLED screen, as displaying black pixels consumes significantly less power than bright colors. Step 9. Keep your apps updated, as developers often include battery optimizations in updates that improve efficiency. Step 10. Avoid extreme temperatures by keeping your phone out of direct sunlight and away from very cold conditions, which can temporarily reduce battery capacity. Your smartphone battery life is now optimized without sacrificing important features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.